Then let's talk about how we take input in the C#. So to take the input in the C#, we basically use again a class called console. We use something called a write line and enter your name. This becomes basically the input message that we want to say, hey, I want to enter your name. So this is just a standard input that we used previously as well for the printer mechanism. But then we use something called console.read line. So the write line is there to print the output on the console, and to get the output from the user on the console, we use a method called read line. This read line method will read the data that user entered in the system, and then it will assign that value back to here. So this is a method that will read the data and then give us a reply, give us an answer, which then later we can save in our variable here. So we need to have a variable because it will return a value, and that value needs to be stored. And by default, that value is of type string. So we initially always use a string, and then later on you can do casting to convert the string into number if you need the number value. Okay,